the table fits perfectly with the 12mm compact laminate tabletop we have here. So just going to show you how we'd assemble them together. So we find, personally, pop the frame on top of the top, just square that up. You can then pop with a marker just between the grooves so you know where the bolts will run to. So you'll receive the fixings with the table, so pop those to where you've pre-marked. The frame goes back on. Again, just make sure it's square. You can then pop on the washers. And tighten up. You can fix this to other tops as well. For example, if you had a solid wood top or laminate top, you would just need to drill through straight into the tabletop.